In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Google Slides into Google Docs. This is a really useful skill if you want to add presentation visuals into a report, meeting notes, training document, or any file where you need slides to appear alongside written content. The good news is that the process is simple, and once you know where to click, it only takes a moment. To begin, open your Google Slides presentation. Make sure you're in the presentation that contains the slide you want to bring into your document. Once it's open, go to the slide you want to insert. Click on that slide so it's clearly selected. This is important because Google Docs will paste whatever slide you copy, so taking a second to confirm you've chosen the right one can save you time later. Next, copy the slide. You can do this by going to the Edit menu and choosing Copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and C. Either method works, so use whichever feels faster and more natural for you. After that, open your Google Docs document. This should be the file where you want the slide to appear. Once you're inside the document, click to place your cursor exactly where you want the slide to be inserted. It helps to think about the layout before pasting, especially if you want the slide to sit between paragraphs or under a heading. Now paste the slide. You can right-click and choose Paste, or simply press Ctrl and V on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Google Docs will usually give you a prompt with two different paste options. At this point, decide how you want the slide to behave inside your document. If you choose Link to Presentation, the inserted slide stays connected to the original Google Slides file. That means if you later update the slide in Google Slides, you'll have the option to refresh it in Google Docs, so the content stays current. This is a great choice if the presentation is still being edited or if you want your document to reflect future changes. If you choose Paste Unlinked, Google Docs inserts a static copy of the slide instead. This is better if you want the document to stay exactly the same, even if the original presentation changes later. Once you've selected the option you want, click Paste to finish. And that's it. Your Google Slides content is now inserted into Google Docs and ready to use.